How to compost in a plastic bin. Compost is known as black gold by gardeners for its richness, high nutrient content, and gardening benefits. A plastic compost bin is a good way to recycle food scraps and save money on expensive store-bought soil while improving the health of your garden. To make perfect compost, your compost bin should have a variety of ingredients plus plenty of ventilation, a little moisture, and darkness. When it is ready to use, your compost will look like rich, earthy soil, with no evidence of the fruit and vegetable scraps, dead leaves and other ingredients you've used to make it. Things you'll need. Plastic garbage bin. Drill, with 2-inch drill bit. Pitchfork. Carbon-rich materials: wood chips, sawdust, hay, shredded paper, dead leaves, pine needles, cardboard. Nitrogen-rich materials: table scraps, no meat or fat, fruit and vegetables, grass, weeds, flowers, coffee grounds, tea. Shaded area: shovel. Preparing your bin. Look for a sturdy plastic garbage bin with a tight-fitting lid. The size of the bin will depend on how much compost you'd like to produce, and how large your garden will be. Aerate your bin by drilling holes in the top, bottom and sides. Use your drill and a 2-inch bit, and drill a ring of holes 4 to 6 inches apart on the top and bottom and down the sides. Ventilation will help your compost ingredients adequately break down. Store your bin in a cool, shady area. Direct sunlight will dry out your compost. Fill in your bin. Add 2 to 3 inches of straw, sawdust or wood chips to the bottom of your bin. Add your remaining ingredients to your bin. Ideally, you will have 2/3 to 3/4 carbon-rich brown materials and 1/4 to 1/3 nitrogen-rich green material. Fill the bin about 3/4 full. Screw the lid on tightly. Keep your mixture moist but not wet. Too much water will harbor bacteria. Using your compost. Turn your compost every few weeks with a pitchfork to check moisture content and aerate. Wait at least 3 months before using your compost. It should look dark and rich, and none of the original ingredients should be recognizable. It will give off an earthy and pungent but not foul smell. Spread your compost in a thick layer on top of the soil in your garden, using your shovel or rake. Tips: warnings. Make sure your bin includes a variety of ingredients, textures and colors. A balanced diet is as healthy for your compost as it is for you. If your compost bin gives off a foul odor, you probably have too much nitrogen-rich matter in your compost, or you may have bacteria. Make sure your compost is moist, not wet, and add more carbon-rich material. Do not add meat, fatty substances or human or pet feces to your compost.